Hello guys, with this platform I'm going to teach you how to create your first agent. By the way, if you want to know about this platform, click on the description below. Before you do that, please follow through. Once you jump on this platform, they are already pre-created agents. For example, you see this is Appla, the prospect agent, Li, the enrichment agent, Sony, the intercom support agent. You see Lima, the recycle marketer and stuff. So you see the description of all the things that they can do. They are all recommended, but let's assume that you don't want to use any of these agents, right? And you want to create your own agent. So that is very quite simple. Click on template, just go to agents. So I already have an agent I created, but this time around I want to show you how you can create your own agent, right? The next thing you want to do is to go to new agent. Once you click on new agent, the first thing it requires you to do is to name your agent. So I want to create an agent that would help me to write scripts right here on YouTube. So if you're a YouTube creator or you're a creator of any kind, this is something that you need to watch. So here I'll just call it YouTube script writer. So of course we know it's a YouTube script writer, but you can actually give it any name. So I'm just going to call this guy Bola. So shout out to all the Bola out there. It doesn't mean that you are AI anyway. So the other thing is to give it a description. I don't want this to be a repetitive process. Everything here is supposed to be automated. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a description for a YouTube script writing agent. So this is the AI description for it. So I don't have to take out all the time to this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to create triggers for your AI. So you can actually create tags for your AI from different platforms. So there's a place like Outlook, Gmail, HubSpot, FreshDesk, Salesforce, Zoom Info, or WhatsApp for business. So I use two platforms basically. So I'm going to select Gmail and WhatsApp. So when I select Gmail, it's going to allow me to sign up on the platform with my Gmail and then continue. From your email, you can actually email this particular agent that you're creating. So you don't have to maybe log in all the time. All email inbox, any email received will trigger the agent. Outreach replies only. So I want only emails sent to the AI to trigger the AI. I don't want it to respond to all the emails, right? So after that, these triggers are accessible for teams. So it has an additional 5,000 credits per month. So this is premium trigger. So if you are open to signing up, you can sign up on this. Now you can actually build your own triggers through custom Zapier and your API. I'm just going to confirm this AI right now. So the agent has been saved. Bola, the YouTube script writer, has been created. So from here I can actually give it a task right now. So I can actually say whatever I want to say here, right? So I'm going to ask Bola to write a script for me. So I'm just going to say research unusual events that happened in the world from 2000 to 2024 and create scripts for all of them. So I'm sending this to Bola, my YouTube script writer. So he's already working on it. Can you see? So I believe that what Bola is doing right now is that Bola is researching all the things he needs to gather. So the first one is this great toilet paper shortage. Then the second script he wrote is the mystery of the dancing plague, a small square town, uncontrollable. And then, so now, do you see what it has done? I didn't see all the research it did by itself, but it went ahead to actually do the research itself and then create a script for it. So I can actually ask it to expand this script because these scripts are very short. So I'll just say, I'm actually looking at creating very captivating stories. So can you improve on the script quality by including details and adding more events for up to 50. So what it's doing now is working on the background. So this is a fantastic way, if you ask me, to build your own agent. So this cuts across every other task that you want to be done. You want to do lead generation, you want to do Google research, your agent can actually do that. So mind you, this platform works with credits. All what I've done with Bola so far cost me about 4.2 credits. So it means that whatever you are doing with each agent has its own credit. So once you exhaust your credit, you need to refill those credits. But each agent comes with 100 credits. I have 71 credits left right now. One thing that you have to also know about this platform is that if you have not refilled your credit, so you are not in a premium version yet, it means that most likely your job is not going to be saved. So when it's lost, it's lost. So Bola, the script writer, she's finished with, so she gave me more. Like, look at the numbers. Wow, she wrote all the scripts. Wow, but the scripts are very short. But I can actually develop on that. Let's look at the stories. Very, very interesting stories, I guess. So it says the Great Australian Fire, the rise of TikTok, the Great Australian Fire, the invention of the selfie stick, the rise of plant-based diets. Wow. The Great Quokka selfie craze. Wow. The rise of streaming services, the rise of cryptocurrency, the Great British Weather, the rise of remote work, the Great Resignation. Woo! This is a story I like to tell. The Great Resignation, the rise of esports, and the rise of influencer culture. These like this, I created all these scripts until it's 50, but the scripts are very short. So you might want to ask you to actually develop on these scripts. This is mind-blowing, guys. So if you want to jump on this platform, the link to sign up to this platform is actually right there in the description. So feel free to get on it, guys. We're going to do a development video on this and actually explore how people can actually make money with this, because I'm very, very optimistic on how we can actually use this to create a whole new level of income